If you're looking to make your ShopWired store stand out with a custom design, you're in the right place. Customizing your ShopWired store design can elevate your brand and give you a unique online presence. Let's break down the steps to get you started, and stick around till the end because I've got some key alternatives that might better serve your needs in the long run. First, let's talk about the basics. ShopWired gives you access to a variety of themes to kick off your store design. You can find these by navigating to the Design section of the platform. Here, you'll see options that are responsive, meaning they'll look good on any device. But don't settle for the default. You can easily switch up colors, fonts, and layout to fit your brand style. Next, let's look at the theme editor. This is where you can make those big changes to the look and feel of your site. Next thing to consider is custom CSS. While ShopWired does a great job providing theme customization, there are times when you'll want something more specific. For that, you can dive into custom CSS. The platform allows you to add your own code to tweak small details. So, if you're not happy with how your buttons look, or you want to adjust the spacing between elements, this is the spot to do it. The third thing I want to mention is the header and footer sections. These are often overlooked, but they play a huge role in user experience. In ShopWired, you can easily customize both. Want to add your logo, social links, or change up the navigation menu? It's simple. Just go to the header and footer settings, and you'll be able to make changes that affect how your visitors interact with your site. Then there's the homepage design. The homepage is the first impression your customers get, so it's essential to get this right. With ShopWired, you have the flexibility to choose how your homepage sections are displayed, whether it's with sliders, banners, or featured products. You can drag and drop elements around to design a flow that suits your business model, but don't forget that speed matters too. Overloading your homepage with too many elements could affect the user experience, so balance it out. Now, let's talk about product pages. Customizing your product pages is a must to convert visitors into buyers. ShopWired allows you to display product images, descriptions, prices, and more. You can even customize how your variants, sizes, colors, etc. are displayed. But keep in mind, although these features are flexible, they still require a bit of work to truly match your brand's identity. So, what's the takeaway? ShopWired gives you the tools to make your store look good, but it's not as intuitive or flexible as some other platforms out there. It's great for those who want a quick setup, but if you're looking for more creative control and unique features, you might find yourself limited. That brings me to a special offer. If you're serious about customizing your store design to stand out, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for you to test out ShopWired. But before you rush off, I've also researched some great alternatives that could be a better fit for your long-term goals. These platforms offer better flexibility, design options, and even some free trial benefits that you'll want to explore. By using the link in the description, you'll unlock the best deals and exclusive perks that are only available to our viewers. Take advantage of these free trials and see which platform truly aligns with your business vision.